Ito na ang inaabangang paghaharap. Sino nga kaya ang mas mainit na boy group? Ang hashtags o ang #5? O ngayon, showdown ito. Kung hahamunin niyo sila ng showdown, ikaw, sa anong larangan mo sila hamunin?
Sa gitara po.
Gitara.
Apo.
Sinong naggigitara sa inyo? Ronnie. O, gitara daw. Oo. Showdown. Tingnan natin kung sinong mas hot sa pagigitara, kung si Ronnie o si
Jimwell.
Jimwell. Go. Anong tutugtugin mo?
Stay with me po.
Oh, go.
Guess it's true, I'm not good, but I want Lyrics.com I'm just a man. This night never seems to go to plan. But I don't want you to leave, can you hold my hand? Everybody now. Oh, I want you stay with me. Stay with me. Yeah. All what I need. They say love is clear to see. But darling, stay with me.
Yes! Gusto ko na. Ayos ka. O, Ronnie. Ronnie, ano? Ronnie, anong tutugtugin mo? What do you mean? What? Ah, gusto ko yan. Go, Ronnie.
Nakakaya, hindi maganda, boss ko.
Siguro go, Ronnie.
You're so indecisive what I'm saying. Try to catch the pin, make up your heart. Don't know if you're happy or complaining. The one for us to win, where do I start? Go! First you wanna go to the left, and you wanna turn. Wanna argue all day, make love all night. Push you up and you down, and in between. Oh, I really wanna know, what do you mean?
Oh, yeah.
When you're not your chest, but you wanna say no, what do you mean? When you don't want me to move, but you tell me to go, what do you mean? What do you mean? Oh, what do you mean? Since you're running out of time, what do you mean? Oh, 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 what do you mean? Yeah!
Sorry. Iba si Ronnie. Okay. So, Jameson, anong pambato mong talent? Tapos sa palagay mo hindi ka matatapatan ng #5?
Beatbox.
Beatbox! Oh, sino yung pwedeng sumabay sa beatbox? Sino marunong mag-rap?
Eric.
Eric
po.
Oh, Eric, kaya mo bang sabayan ng rap mo yung beatbox ni Jameson?
Gay.
Paano kaya yan kung mag-flip top kayong dalawa ni Jimboy habang nag-beatbox si Jameson? Oh, sagutan.
Sagutan.
Hello,
Oh,
mic check. Yeah.
sagutan. Jimboy versus Eric. Okay, dito ka na. Harapan yan, ha? So,
Give it
kailangan...
up for Jimbo and Eric.
Let's go!
#5, pahingi ng high five. Sa sobrang hot namin, kailangan ng pamaypay. Up. Check it out.
Pamaypay daw. Malamig na nga. May aircon pa dito. Humihingi pa rin.
Taba ako.
Give me some beat, yo. Some beat lang. Boom. Sara, prinsesa. Labinya, ingitera. Hininga mo, amoy barya.
Ayaw mo yan, CJ.
Ang lakas makakali nung
Ayaw mo yan.
Anak, may labinya ka pa.
Piso na.
Hindi kanya naman tinuro ko sa'yo, joke! Hindi. Nagpaalam ka pa sa akin, mabanat na ba ako? Yun lang pala yung banat mo. Labinya. Hininga mo, amoy barya. Oh, meron daw naghahamon kay Zeus sa kanyang sayaw na Love Me Like You Do. Oh, sino? Sino sa inyo ang pwedeng kumabog sa version ni Zeus ng
Marlo.
Love Me Like...
Marlo.
Marlo, di ba idol mo si Zeus?
Opo, hindi ko
O, kayo ang partner.
Gracias, mag-iingat ka po. Iba po yan
Oo.
pagka...
Kuya
Diyos, iba po yan. Iba po yan.
Iba po yan sa lalaki.
Iba po yan sa lalaki.
You're the light, you're the night, you're the color of my blood. You're the cure, you're the pain, you're the only thing
Parang may
I
kapangyarihan
wanna
siya.
touch. Never knew that it could mean so much, so much.
Bakit, teka lang, alam mo na, bakit ka kinikilig kay Zeus? Kinikilig siya kay Zeus eh.
Ang pogi po yan.
Pero sino ang pinakamagaling na dancer sa inyo talaga?
Alam mo, yan po.
CJ, alika. Go, CJ!
Is it worth it? Let me work it. Put my thing down, flip it and reverse it. It's your primitive is when yet. It's your primitive is when yet. If you got a big let me search it. To find out how hard I gotta work yet. It's your primitive is when yet.
Ay,
It's your
pasukan mo na, Ronnie!
I like to get to know you.
Ronnie, pasukan mo!
Young ya, like I told ya. Give me
Ay, nakipagtanggol mo yung kagrupo mo!
your girl acting snake, then call me over. Now,
Makoy, pasok, Makoy! Pito dito, pasok!
See my hips and my tips so chop.
Go!
See my hips and my lips don't chop.
Marno, ikaw na, Marno! Marno! Tala ka!
I need a glass of rum.
Kaya yun.
Oh, ikaw na! Oh, ikaw naman! Oh! Ah! Gandang gabi ka, pamilya! Yes! Magandang gabi at maganda tayong lahat.